The MSc in Project Management will offer students the managerial, technical as well as people skills necessary to be an effective project manager in the 21st century.
It's a blended learning solution trying to suit people from industry.
I was introduced to project management as a discipline when I was taking a postgraduate in contract and procurement management. The program has been fantastic for my career development. It really opened my eyes to new ways of problem solving.
The program initially was set up for people working in industry, and we're very cognizant of that when we put the program together. So it's usually half a day on Friday and then half a day on Saturday every second week. But that is complemented then by the online learning management systems. In first year, students start off with 3 modules: project management, strategy and problem solving.
In year 2, students take a range of program and project related modules in addition to research methods, current issues in project management.
We also work with the students so they can complete the PMP certification, and this is widely recognised and of great value, and it complements the master's program.
The course is very interactive. It's very in-depth. It has a lot of theory, but every single lecture you took away something practical that you could use in your day-to-day work and in new challenges.
It's very much anchored in real life. We make sure of that by bringing guest speakers in from pharmaceutical, medical device, IT, banking, to complement what we're already bringing to the course.
Velopi are our industry partner, are a leading edge training and consulting organisation. Velopi gives us the cutting edge in terms of what's happening in industry, and we balance that with the cutting edge research in terms of project management to deliver a unique programme in the marketplace.